All right, y'all. I said that I would come on here and I would talk about why I was sad about my old high school. Um, I enjoyed high school. I played numerous sports from junior high into high school, and I participated in a lot of things. They had fashion shows, they had different talent events called the English Festival that happened in April, I think. We had semi-formals, proms, the normal stuff you have in high school. And I found out that a lot of these students, they're not experiencing that. There's no football team. Football. That was the number one sport at my old high school, at Erindale Secondary School. That was the number one. Like, we were like the best football team. We went to Iverwin Stadium in Hamilton and we'd play, you know. I don't know how many times we won the championship, but I mean, we were contenders. Like, nobody could top us. Anyways, I digress. Basketball was the same thing. We were good. Like, our teams, we had midget, junior, senior for boys and girls. Midget was grade 9. I don't know why they call us midgets. Anyways, but there's no football team. I don't think there's a basketball team. There's a rugby girls. I don't know about boys. They have no pep rallies. They have no fashion show at the end of the year. I hear the what do you call it? Attendance. What do you call it? Like, how many people are at the school? It's like 1,500 when I was going to school. It was like 1,500. At one point, it was 2,200. And I could see that. And now it's like 700. Less than 800. What? Apparently, they're losing students to two schools. One is a Catholic and one is a public school. Clarkson. Like, who the heck wants to go to Clarkson and Loyola. I could see because they built up a new school and looks state of the art. It looks nice, I guess. But Erindale, I mean, there's so many memories, and now they're saying that it could get really bad to the point where they might close it down and build up condos. I mean, it's prime location for that. However, tear down my old school. That's why I was sad. I was sad because the kids, I mean, when I was talking to them, they're telling me their issues and whatnot, and I love young people, love talking to them. They were telling me their issues. They were telling me, what was going on, the teachers, how they were treating them, and I actually experienced it. One of the teachers thought I was a student, and she kind of rubbed me the wrong way. I said, you know what, not today. And I went straight into the cafeteria. I was like, what? But anyway, yeah, and they want to know more stories because nothing goes on. They're not motivated. They had the semi-formal got canceled 3 times. The prom almost got canceled. Teachers were begging the kids to buy tickets for the prom, and they said it's going to be canceled. I felt so sad. I mean, I experienced so much. There were so many things that happened in high school. I didn't even experience every single thing because there was just too many things to choose from. And now these young people don't have that. They don't. And, I don't know what it is. They said they're teachers that, they talked about how the teachers aren't stepping up to, I guess, manage the sports teams. Teacher that retired a few years ago for a football team. Since then, hasn't been the same. And I just hope that Erindale can get back to how it was when I was in high school. When we were in high school, it was great. It was awesome. I just think these students need motivation. They need it. Come on, Erindale. Where's that Erindale spirit? ESS, Raiders.